The Asus ROG Phone 8 Pro is a powerful gaming smartphone that combines high performance and improved features for everyday use. This phone has become more versatile and less gaming in design, which makes it attractive to a wider audience. Asus has changed the design of the ROG Phone 8 Pro, making it more discreet and elegant. It has become lighter, 225G, and thinner, 8.9mm, compared to previous models. IP68 protection. The device is protected from dust and moisture, which adds convenience in everyday use. Controls includes flexible air trigger buttons and 2 USB-C ports, which is convenient for gamers. Display, 6.78-inch LTPO OLED. The display supports an adaptive refresh rate of up to 165 Hz and reaches a peak brightness of up to 2500 nits, which provides excellent image quality even in bright sunlight. FHD Plus resolution, 1080 by 2400. Although the resolution is not the highest among flagships, it makes up for it with high brightness and refresh rate. 50MP main camera. Uses the Sony IMX890 sensor with 6-step hybrid stabilization, which significantly improves the quality of photos. Secondary cameras. A 13MP ultra-wide camera and a 32MP telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom allow you to take a variety of photos. Performance. Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip provides outstanding performance in gaming and multitasking. Available in 12, 16, or 24 GB of RAM. 5500 mAh battery, provides long battery life, while 65W fast charging and 15W wireless charging make charging convenient. Gaming features GameCool 8 cooling system, provides effective cooling during long gaming sessions. Wi-Fi 7 support, allows you to use the latest connectivity technologies for online gaming. The Asus ROG Phone 8 Pro is not just a gaming phone. It offers excellent specs for everyday use, including quality cameras and a sleek design. This device can compete with flagships from other brands, such as the iPhone 15 Pro Max or Galaxy S23 Ultra, while staying true to its gaming roots.